Hello, hope you are doing good. Today we tells you about cluster headache relief tips and remedies to feel better. Cluster headaches are a rare form of headaches that are marked by one-sided pain. Cluster headaches derive their name from their occurrence in groups. They are also known as suicide headaches owing to their reputation of rendering the suffering individual drained and exhausted after an attack. Cluster headaches tend to occur 5 to 6 times more in men than women and rare most common between the ages of 20 to 40. Please watch the full video because in the end of the video we will tell you the best tips and medicine for cluster relief. So before start our video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. What can trigger a cluster headache? The primary reason behind a cluster headache is not yet known. It is suggested that it is an outcome of a sudden release of biochemical compounds such as serotonin and histamines that acts as an trigger on the trigeminal nerve. The common triggers include physical activity, especially exercising in hot water, intense light including sunlight accompanied by heat or high temperature, alcohol, smoking, high altitudes during air travel or trekking, certain foods such as shellfish, smoked fish and canned meats, certain medications and genetics. Signs of a cluster headache. The signs and associated symptoms that are indicative of a cluster headache include severe pain around one eye, radiating to the forehead, cheeks, temples and upper gum on the same side of the face, nasal congestion, agitation and restlessness, sweating on the forehead, drilling pain that may be prominent around one eye which may become watery or bloodshot with dropping eyelids. The affected side of the face may be reddened or flushed. Steady painful attacks 1 to 3 times a day lasting for 15 to 180 minutes. Attacks may occur for 6 to 8 weeks. Photophobia may occur. Tips to manage a cluster headache. Apply a cold and hot compress. An easy solution to your cluster headache is a cold compress. The cold temperature of the eyes has a numbing effect on the pain. Number 2 is consider acupressure. Acupressure is a widely used technique in Chinese medicine. Pressure is applied on specific points in the fingers and hands called acupoints. Stimulating these points with pressure can help reduce pain or other health ailments. Number 3 is get a massage. A gentle head massage can help relax your headache by promoting serotonin activity and triggering the serotonin receptors or curtail the frequency and symptoms of the headache. Number 4 is go for a therapy. Cluster headaches can be relieved by a therapy care by tending to the regions from where the headache is stemming from. Therapy is a state wherein a practitioner helps relieve the tension around the bones, joint and muscles of the cervical area by making use of his hands. Number 5 is give essential oils a thought. Essential oils are accredited with antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties that can have a soothing effect on your nerve and help calm your head. The oils includes are marjoram oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil, lavender oil, CBD oil. Lifestyle changes. Drink adequate amount of water. Drink little or adequate amount of water is associated with headaches. If you have a habit of not drinking an adequate amount of water a day, you might get dehydrated, which can result in a headache. Avoid food triggers. Certain individuals can get a headache by eating certain foods. Once you have identified these food triggers, alcoholic drinks, artificial sweeteners, nitrate-rich foods in wine, cured meats, aged cheese and some medicines, caffeine-containing drinks such as tea, coffee and coffee. Do yoga and quiet smoking. Dietary additions in your diet. Include magnesium in your diet. Magnesium is an essential nutrient that helps to regulate various metabolic processes and the nervous system. Types of cluster headaches. Cluster headaches can be categorized into two distinct types depending on the pattern: episodic cluster headaches and chronic cluster headaches. Final word. Although cluster headaches are incurable per se, you can take measures to reduce the associated discomfort and prevent their recurrence. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe.